Good morning all of you. 8th class maths exercise 2.3 page number 45. Page number 45. Solve the following equations. First question. Solve the following equations. 7x minus 5 is equal to 2x. Solve the following equations means you have to find out the value of x. Okay? 7x minus 5 is equal to 2x. Right question. Well, we have to find out the value of x. Again, you have to 7x plus 2x coming this side. Plus 2x coming this side. Change into minus 2x. Right down. Minus 5 is going to change into plus 5. 7x minus 2x. 5x is equal to 5. X is equal to into 5. Going to change into divided by 5. 5 into 5 one time. Therefore x is equal to 1. X value 1. My x running left side. Numbers running right side. 7x minus 2x 5x. 5x equal to 5. X equal into 5. Going to change into divided by 5. 5 into 5 one time. X value 1. Okay? Right first. You have to listen and you have to write at the same time. X running left side, numbers running right side. Okay? So much shading, same model. Okay? Next, sixth question. 2, 3, 4, 5 homework. Question number 6. And the same model. With the tick mark. 2, 3, 4, 5 homework. Right, question number 6. Right, question number 6. Right first. Question number 6. Question number 6 करने. Did you write? Right first. 9y plus 5 is equal to 9y plus 5 is equal to 15y minus 1. 9y plus 5 is equal to 15y minus 1. Okay? Plus 15y is coming this side, change into plus the purpose minus only, minus 15y. Minus 15y. Numbers, the y only left side raskondi. Numbers on the right side. Minus 1 right side only. Plus 5 going that side, change into minus 5. Okay? Plus 15y coming this side, change into minus 15y. Plus 5 going that side, minus 5. Change into minus 5. 9y minus 15y. 9 plus 15 తీయగలమా మనం? అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? మైనస్ పెట్టుకొని 15 లో 9 పోతే 6. minus 6y is equal to, okay? minus 1 no minus 5 minus 6 అవుతుంది. minus 1 no minus 5 minus 6. both sides minus ఉంటే ప్లస్ అయిపోతుంది. both sides minus ఉంటే అవుతాయి ప్లస్. అంటే 6y is equal to 6. y equal to into 6 coming this side into by 6. 6 in 6 one time. Therefore y is equal to answer 1. Okay? Y equal to 1. Next, question number 7. Right, question number 7. number 7. 3x plus 4 is equal to 5 into x minus 2. Okay, 3x plus 4 is equal to, first we have to simplify bracket. Okay, you have to listen and you have to write at the same time. 5 into x, 5x minus 5 2s are 10. 5 into x, 5x minus 5 2s are 10. Same process. X running left side, numbers are right side. 3x run plus 5x coming this side, minus 5x. Right side minus 10 around. Plus 4 is going this side, minus 4. X running left. Numbers are right. 3x minus 5x. 3 will 5 together. Minus 5x minus 3 2x is equal to minus 10 or minus 4 or minus 4. Both sides are minus plus. Two paka minus plus 2x equal to 14. X equal to 2 paka vaste 5 times. 2 14 or 7 times. So answer equal x equal to 7. Eighth homework change. Bracket before number multiply చేసుకోవడమే. 8th homework. Okay, question number 9. Question number 9. 5 into p minus 3 is equal to 3 into p minus 2. 5 into p minus 3 equal to 3 into p minus 2. Okay? Bracket before number multiply చేసుకోవాలి. Okay, 5 into p 5p minus 5 3s are 15. 3 into p 3p minus 3 2s are 6. We have to arrange p's on left side, we have to arrange numbers on right side. 5p minus 5p plus 3p is coming this side, change into minus 3p. Minus is allowed. Minus 15 number करते हैं plus 15. 5p minus 3p, 5 minus 3 2, 2p, 5 minus 3 2, and 2p is equal to minus 6 plus 15. One is minus, another is plus. Then what you have to do? You have to subtract big number from small number. Okay? And you have to use this symbol, big number symbol. 15 or 16 है तो 9. 15 big is 6 bigger. 15 big. Symbol plus. Plus 9 plus is not a note. The minus 6 9 ना होगा minus और plus 10 जाली. Big number और small number किस में? Big number से plus को. 3 6 को होता है 9. Big number से plus से एक नंबर ले. Okay? 2p equal to 9. p का और into p का कितना है? by 2. p is equal to 9 by 2. छोड़ना. 5 into 5p minus 3 into 3 into 3 to 6. 5 का और 3p coming this side. Change into minus 3p. Minus 15 going to change into plus 15. 5p minus 3p 2p equal to minus 60 plus 15 9. What minus 2 plus 9 చేస్తాం? Big number small తీసుకొని big number small చేసుకోవాలి. 15 minus 6 9 plus 9. మన p value find it చేయాలి. You have to find out the value of p. Into 2 coming this side change into by 2. Therefore p is equal to 10 by 2. And now note 11th note check. Note question number 11. Question number 11. Question number 11. 15 into x minus 1 plus 4 into x plus 3 is equal to 2 into 7 plus x. 15 into x minus 1 plus 4 into x plus 3 is equal to 2 into 7 plus x. Okay, here 15 into x, 15x minus 15 1 is 15, 4 into x, 4x, 4 3 is 12, 2 into 7, 2 7 is 14 plus 2 into x, 2x. Right fast. 15x, 4x, 19x. 15x, 4x, 19x. Minus 15 plus 12. Minus 15 plus 12 అంటే minus 3. 15 కాకపోతే 3. 15 big number symbol minus. 19x minus 3 is equal to 14 plus 2x. First question మనం తెలుసుకుందాం. x రెండు పక్కకే numbers రావు. Plus 2x on the side minus 2x. Minus 3 going the side plus 3. 19x minus 2x. 17x is equal to 14 plus 3. 17. X y equal into 7 going the side into by 17. 17 gives 17 one time. X equal to 1. Okay. Total homework that you do. Total homework. Now to write question number 30. Same one sums. We have to arrange x's on left side, numbers on right side. Same mode x side, same mode sums any mode. X on one side, numbers on one side. So bracket into multiply చేసుకోవడం. Okay. Next question 13. Question number 13. Eight into x minus 3 minus 6 minus 2x is equal to 2 into x plus 2 minus 5 into 5 minus x. 2 into x minus 3 minus 6 minus 2x 2 into x plus 2 minus 5 into 5 minus x. Okay. Bracket before number 8. So I have to multiply with 8. 8 into x, 8x. 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. Bracket before 7 है minus. Minus होते symbol change होते हैं. Bracket before minus. Symbol change होता है. Plus 6 वाला minus 6. Minus 2x 8 into plus 2x. Bracket before minus symbols change. Plus 6 change into minus 6. Minus 2x change into plus 2x. 2 into x, 2x, 2 to the 4. Minus 5 into 5. Minus 5 5 is 25. Minus into minus plus 5 into x, 5x. even bracket में number multiply చేసుకోవడం. Bracket में minus ఉంటే number 7 में minus ఉంటే symbol change అవుతుంది. చెప్పండి. 8x plus 2x. 10x. Minus 24 minus 6. Minus 30. Minus 2x plus 5x. 7x. 4 minus 25. क्या 4 is 25 दिया ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి మైనస్ పెట్టి 25 minus 4 21. ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ మోడ్ వెళ్తుంది. x రెండు లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ నెంబర్స్ అనే రైట్ సైడ్. ప్లస్ 7x కమింగ్ సైడ్ minus 7x. minus 1 minus 10 బర్కతే plus 10. 10x minus 7x 3x. 10 minus 7 3x equal to 1 is minus 1 is plus. Big number is small number is big number sum చేసుకోండి. 30 and 20 what होता है minus 30 big number symbol plus plus से क्या होता है डायरेक्ट नंबर नो प्रॉब्लम 3x equal to 9 3x equal to 9 x is equal to into 3 की बात होता है by 3 into 3 is coming this side by 3 3 table 9 लो 3 3s are 9 x is equal to 3 x is equal to 3 okay 14th question right fast right question number 14 okay you did right three into n minus 4 plus 2 into 4n minus 5 is equal to 5 into n plus 2 plus 16 3 into n minus 4 plus 2 into 4n minus 5 into 5 into n plus 2 plus 16 3 into n 3n 3 4 are 12 3 into n 3n minus 3 4 are 12 2 into 4 and 2 4 are 8n plus into minus minus 2 5 are 10 it's right 5 into n 5n 5 2 are 10 no. This is 16 okay sum is in n 3n no plus 8n 3n plus 8n 3 plus 8 11n minus 12 minus 10 minus 22 5n 10 plus 16 26 10 plus 16 26 we have to ends on left side numbers on right side plus 5n 10 is into minus 5n minus 22 change into plus 22 5n 11n minus 5n 11 minus 5 6n 26 22 2 plus 6 8 26 plus 22 48 and final change by 6 only 6 8 and 48 so n is equal to 8 n is equal to 8 okay remaining 6 will be continued next class. Yeah, thank you.